Today I show you how you can make a hard drive sit without making noises in your computer case or even on your desk. The hard drives have mounting holes on the sides and on the bottom also, and in my situation, in my case, I would say the literal case, the rails for the hard drives are pretty noisy. They're not very stable, they don't have much rubber cushioning or anything, so they make noises. Because of that, I use these grommets, rubber grommets for hard drives, and these are from my old Antec case. Really soft silicone rubbery material, the softest silicone grommets I could find. And any screw, this was a screw from my Western Digital enclosure from my WD, my book, but any screw works really. Phillips head or Torx head doesn't really matter. The length should be not bigger than the grommet. You put the screws on the bottom mounting holes of the hard drive, install the grommets on top of the screws, and now it's stabilized. Because they are very soft silicone, I place them like this inside the case. I try not to tip over the case, the computer, and there is no vibration sound from the computer. You could use also rubber bands on the mounting rails of your case, but this for me is the ideal, to use rubber grommets or silicone grommets like this. I'll put links in the description where you can find these type or similar silicone grommets. Thanks for watching.